One concept that's valuable when we talk about monitoring or inventorying grazing lands is the idea of a key area. A key area is simply an area of a pasture that's representative of the pasture as a whole. And what we hope is that we can look at the attributes of that key area and the changes that are going on there and extrapolate that to what's going on the pasture as a whole. So when we want to select a key area for monitoring, what we're looking at is an area that has similar soils and a similar potential vegetation and potential production. So most of this pasture would be what we would call a clayey ecological site. That being the case, we've kind of selected this hilltop right here, probably about a 3 to 5 acre size, as our key area where we'll conduct most of our monitoring and inventory in this pasture. One key step in any grazing plan is to monitor the changes in the resources over time. Once we've established our key areas in a pasture based on the representativeness of that area to the pasture as a whole, we need to decide two things. First, what aspects of the pasture do we want to monitor? And second, what methods do we want to use? On South Dakota rangelands, annual forage production can vary considerably between years, especially in a year with sweet clover. So one aspect that we'd want to look at is that annual production. Two common ways of looking at annual production are to clip and weigh vegetation in a hoop and to use the pasture stick.